Hello, George Kaplan here with another review. This time it's E-Flight's Carbon-Z Cessna 150 from Horizon. This bind and fly kit comes in a cradle that's about 5 foot long with all the parts nicely tucked in position. As you can see here, everything is made from foam and nicely painted. Everything is included to assemble, including the motor and prop. The manual is well illustrated and shows everything needed to assemble, as well as binding and setup instructions. To install the stab, simply insert one of the halves, then insert the other on the tube that you see here. The elevator will lock in place with the rectangular tube. Both halves are held in place by a single screw on each side. Attach the ball link and you're ready to go. The struts, when attached, will actually fold in place, making storage easy. The large hatch on the top gives access to the radio compartment as well as the thumb screw position for the wings. Each wing slides into place as you see here. The thumb screw goes in. Then the bottom of the struts are held in place with a pin and a retaining clip. The front hatch is removable to give access to the battery compartment as well as the on-off switch for the radio. When you power up the Cessna, you'll notice there's a multitude of lights. Wingtip lights, nose lights, and lights on the rudder. All of these are LEDs and are quite bright. Flaps come pre-installed, and typically there are 3 positions. There's up, mid-range, and down. The nose gear has a shock-absorbing oleo strut. All up, our Cessna came in at 8 3/4 pounds, ready to fly with a 6-cell 5,000 milliamp pack.